Hey YouTube, today we're working on a Samsung stainless steel refrigerator. Model number is RFG298HDRS, and the issue we were having with it is it started making a funny noise and it sounded like something grinding, and also we were having ice build up in the bottom here. It was making it hard for the door to open and close. So, upon further investigation, we pulled this piece off right here, and it's just got one screw here, one screw there, and then and it's got a couple connectors. So basically, you pull the two screws out. If you look up in the top right corner, you got 3 connectors. So you're gonna pull those off. Go ahead and remove this piece. And what the problem was is ice was built up inside this fan motor here. It was actually grinding on it. So we already unthawed all this, and that's gonna solve that problem. Now the second question is why did the ice build up? So if you look real close, down here, there's a metal heating element that runs all the way around the bottom, and there's a connector right here that plugs in up in this top corner. So in our case, that heating element appeared to be working because most of the buildup was along the top here, especially on this guy. Lots of ice buildup, and I think the reason that it was building up was because the drain was not draining properly. So you have a tray right here, a metal tray along the bottom, and right smack dab in the middle, you have a drain that goes downwards. And I'm going to show you where that goes to. So on the back of the unit here, you have 4 screws along the top that hold this panel on. There's the panel right there. So you just take your 4 screws off. And as you can see, you have, here's the compressor, and here is what I believe is the condenser. I may be wrong, but anyway, here's this unit here. You have a drain here, which is for the freezer, and then you have the refrigerator portion drain right here. And I actually had this taken apart because I was working on it, but I'll show you the way that it's assembled. So when you open it up, it's gonna look like this, and all you got to do to get this out of here is you just pull on this rubber tube, and then you're gonna remove it. It's just a little piece of rubber. And the problem with ours was that this little strainer type deal was just plugged full of, it almost looked like food and corrosion and a rusty soup kind of mess. You pull this off, and it's just a straight tube, which that's the drain. It drains into this pan here, and then the heat from this causes the water to evaporate. So that's how it gets rid of the water inside the unit. So basically, you can just take this off, clean it out. And what we did is I left this off temporarily, and I actually hooked this back up, and then I took a bowl and just put the bowl underneath here, and went around on the other side and poured some hot water through it, and that'll get any ice or and you'd be surprised at the chunks of stuff that would come out of there. So that's gonna allow it to drain a lot better, and I think that's gonna solve our issue. So I hope this helps you. Just message if you have any questions.